Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Annie Abriera. I'm 39 years old. My height is 156. I'm 58 kg. I'm a single mother. I have two kids, aged 21 and 20. I have one brother, two sisters. My number of the family is 4. I have 13 years experience in Jordan, 1 year in Singapore. My job is doing all the house working, cleaning, cooking, ironing, take care to children aged 10 years old and 11 years old. Prepare they need and bring them to the school. I'm good in cleaning and cooking, taking care of baby, taking care of the children, take care of elderly, take care of bedridden. I can accept any kind of job. I agree with a one off in a day, in 1 month. I promise will work hard and loyalty and honest and follow instruction. I'm looking forward to work with your family. I need to support my family.